A money order is a prepaid paper payment you buy with cash or debit. It's made after a specific person or business and is guaranteed because the funds are paid up front. That means it ain't bounced like a personal check would. You can buy them at post offices, many banks, retail stores, and convenience stores. To write a money order, you need to write the recipient's name. This is the most important part. On the line that says pay to order of, write the full name of the person or business you're sending the money to. No nicknames, no blanks. Write it at exactly how they need it. Step 2. Fill in your name. Next, write your own name on the line that says purchaser or from. This shows who the money order is from. Now, some money orders have a space for your address. If there is, fill it in. This helps the company contact you if there's a problem. Step 4, write a memo. Optional but helpful. On memo line, write what the payment is for, like rents for your office or something like that. Sign the front. Sign your name on the front for that where it says purchaser's signature. Do not sign the back. That's only for the person tasking it. Step 6, keep your receipt. When you buy a money order, you get a receipt with a tracking number. Keep it. If the money the order gets lost or stolen, this is the only way to track it or replace it. And that's money orders explained in 1 minute and 31 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day.